Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the water reflection filter on TikTok. This takes a minute to get. If you're unaware of what that filter looks like, it just looks like this. So if you're looking to get this filter, just stay tuned. It's really easy to get. So all you have to do is exit out of that application, open up TikTok. Once you're on TikTok, you want to go to the Discover tab and just go to the top search bar, and you just want to search for water reflection and just search for that, and then just click on videos. And you just want to find someone using that filter. So this first one right here, someone's using it. And then all you have to do when you're on this is just above the person's username, you want to click on water reflection, the little link. And then once you're here, you just want to click on add to favorites. And now this will be in your favorite filters for you to use. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.